Hey guys, today we will see how to create login page in Joomla 4. If you want to add a login page to your Joomla 4 website, you can do so by following these simple steps. First, you need to access the main menu from the Joomla menu panel and create a new menu. Click on the New button and give the menu a title that will be displayed on your website. Once you've done that, you need to select the Users tab from the Menu Item Type option and choose the Login Form option. Once you've selected the Login Form option, you can configure the menu by going to the Options tab. Here, you can choose the Login Form page as the redirect option for Menu Item Login Redirect. You can also choose a login description and image that will be displayed on the login page. Next, you need to configure the Logout Redirect option. This can be done by selecting the login page as the redirect page for when a user logs out from the front end. Here you can also choose a logout description and image that will be displayed on the logout page. After you've completed all of the above steps, you need to save and close the menu. When you visit the front end of your website, you'll see the login menu that you just created. To log in, simply enter your username and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to the default page of your website, and if you ever want to log out, you'll be redirected back to the login page. By following these steps, you can easily create a login page on your Joomla 4 website.